Janelle with Cruise Planners Mount Dora Travel, and today I'm going to be showing you how I'm packing for my 10-day trip to the Holy Land. One of my goals was to pack everything in one piece of luggage so that I could carry it on and didn't have to check it. So in my search for how to do that, I came across some compression bags, and this will be my first time using compression bags. You put the clothes in, zip it up, squeeze all the air out. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. But when I was packing, at first I put all my pants in one bag and then all my shirts in the other bag, but my trip's gonna consist of stops in 3 hotels. And so I thought, oh, instead of unpacking all the bags, pack them per hotel. So that's what I'm gonna do. So this first bag here is for my first night. So what you do, you open the bag, it's like a Ziploc bag, and you put the clothes in here. This has a pair of jeans, a shirt, it also has what I'm wearing that night, my undergarments. I'm putting all of that into the bag. Oh, look, I found these koala socks. Aren't they cute? I love koalas. Maybe one day I'll get to Australia. Then I'll take that to the Australia. Okay, and now I am zipping the bag. All my contents for my first night, first day are in there, and I'm gonna roll the bag. And when I roll it, all the air squishes out the little holes in the top of the bag. Let's see if you can hear it. That was not me, that was the bag. Okay, then all my clothes are in here. I can keep them folded up in a roll, or I can flatten them. For now, I'm just gonna keep them rolled and go into my bag. Then I have my makeup, my shampoo, all those goodies. I do have a day bag. This will be what I carry on my little day trips as I'm going through the Holy Land and Jerusalem and Bethlehem and the Sea of Galilee. I'm taking my hat, so I'm just gonna stuff these in there. Of course, don't want to leave home without my glasses. I won't be able to see anything. I do have snacks too, in case I get hungry. Okay, so that's the one night. All right, then we've got another bag. This has another pair of pants and a pair of shorts. The temperature in there, let's see, I'm going in March, and the temperature should be between 50s and 70s. So long sleeve, short sleeve. This is a pair of pants, shorts, a couple shirts again, and I'm putting them into the bag. I think I'm going to be able to meet my goal of packing for a 10-day trip in a carry-on. I'll let you know when I get back. Just be sure to follow me on Facebook. That's Cruise Planners Mount Dora. All right. My second hotel is in the bag. Zipped it up. Now we're ready to roll and push out the air. Okay, we're getting there. One more bag to roll. The bag that I bought, the container, also came with a small bag and a medium bag. I might just take those along for the trip for things I buy or dirty clothes, in case one of my other bags breaks. So this is my last hotel stay. That unzipped. Oh, look, don't want to take the hangers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And of course, as the trip goes along, and I'm emptying out my bags, I'm going to use those bags for the dirty clothes. Alright, so this one has some shirts. Fast and Furious at its best. Okay, there's some shirts, socks, undergarments. All right. There we go. We zip it and roll. That sounded like an elephant. Okay. Looky there. I even have room to spare for some souvenirs. Yay! I did it! All right. So, mission accomplished? I don't know. I'm interested to see if my clothes are going to be wrinkly when I get there, and if I brought enough clothes. But if I didn't, I can always buy more when I'm over there. Thank you for tuning in. This is Janelle with Cruise Planners, Mount Dora Travel. We'll see you soon.